What are you saying? Huh? What? Oh, yeah? What else? What else are you saying? Talk to Mama. Oh, yeah? What else? Can you say hi? Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah. You frowning just like your little brother? Or your big brother? Yeah. Goodness. My goodness. You're such a talker. You are such a talker. Yeah, now you're grabbing your blankets. You're grabbing all your blankets. Look at you, silly girl. Look at you, silly girl. Yeah? Yeah? Mm-hmm. What else are you going to say, honey? What? Yeah? Oh. There's Carlito putting his train back together. Carlitos. Carlitos. Say hi to Mama. Say hi to Mama. Carlitos. Oh, Norman is crying. She's just talking. Your sister. Wow. Wow. Yeah. What do you think, little girl? I'm such a talker. Let's put you up against the pillow, okay? Alright, there you go. Now you can see outside. See? Now you can see outside. Ooh, she's so tall. And her sweater's too short. Yeah, what are you going to say? What are you going to say now? You going to say something? What you going to say? What you going to say, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Your belly. Your belly. Your bellies. Yeah, did you tickle this girl? Did you tickle this girl? Yes, my baby. Oh, I know. Okay, say bye, everybody. Bye-bye.